Okay, we have today a Coleman UT500. As you can see, I got my battery charger on it, but the complaint was it was not shifting properly, and I got in here and I tried to shift it, and this bar broke loose, and obviously that would be a reason it would not shift. It seems like that bar was already kind of loose, about to break. I didn't put a lot of pressure on it, but it definitely broke loose, like it wouldn't shift. And what we're going to do now is we're going to check it out. I got the jack up under the back end. Oh, just to make it clear, this unit will crank. You hold the brake, and it cranks and runs. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna get the rear end off the ground. He also has a bearing issue. The rear bearing is getting eat up on this side. The chain, of course, is not fitting correctly because the bearing, you can't put pressure on the chain. But if you look right there, there's a place that it goes into the transmission right here to be able to shift with. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put, being that the shifter is broke up front, I'm going to put a pair of pliers right here, lock them on like that. That way I can try to shift it. It does not appear like it's wanting to click and shift. It does not appear to want to shift. From there, I'm going to crank the unit. The idea of getting the rear wheels off the ground so I can crank it. Then I'm going to try to shift it again by hand. Holding the brake and shifting it, because there is a thing to keep you from shifting it in one direction without holding the brake. But that doesn't seem to be the issue. It's registering on the dash that it's in high gear, and with it being in high gear, I should be able to push this forward and it go into low gear with it running, but it will not. Okay, now we're going to cut it off. Alright. Okay, while we're back here, we're going to check the oil. Just let it back down level. We can check the oil. Jack out from under it. And it appears to be extremely low on oil. Okay. Extremely low on motor oil, transmission oil. And that pretty much concludes what we got going on here.